Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best box cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee Fastback utility knife. This utility knife from Milwaukee is more than the typical box cutter. It features a stainless steel blade and a press and flip mechanism for blade deployment. It also comes with a wire stripper, a reversible Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, a wire belt clip, and a metal locking extension to prevent accidental blade removal. Even with all the included tools, it's very lightweight and portable. You can avoid the toolkit when it's time to put together new furniture or open boxes on moving day with this one utility knife. When the blade gets dull, you can replace the blade safely without any tools needed. You just have to unscrew the locking mechanism. However, replacement blades are not included. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Folding Utility Knife. For those seeking an affordable yet functional box cutter, this utility knife delivers. It features a simple design with a retractable blade and a comfortable grip. While it lacks some of the advanced features of higher-end models, it performs well for everyday cutting tasks and is an excellent choice for budget-conscious shoppers. The knife employs a lockback mechanism to securely hold the blade in place, minimizing the risk of accidental closure. The anti-slip grip on the handle provides improved control, even in wet conditions. However, the blade is on the thinner side and may need to be replaced often with heavy use. At number 3, we have the Slice Micro Safety Cutter. Safety is paramount when using sharp tools, and the Slice Micro Safety Cutter delivers in this area. It features a microceramic blade made from zirconium oxide, which is non-sparking and non-conductive, meaning it is less likely to cut the skin. The blade is encased in a rubberized plastic body, providing a non-slip grip. I have this box cutter, and I use it nearly every day. However, it may be too small for people looking to do more than just open packages. If you want something that will cut through thicker materials, stick with a steel blade. At number 2, we have the WorkPro Premium Utility Knife. This utility knife is a straightforward option that offers a smooth, retractable mechanism and an ergonomic handle with a comfortable grip. It's lightweight and portable, which makes it ideal for people who use utility knives often. The blade can be swapped out without tools, and this knife comes with 10 extra blades. It's also compatible with standard utility blades that you can get at any hardware store. The blade extends to 4 different positions and locks safely in the aluminum frame when not in use. It's available in 3 different colors and packs of 1, 2, or 3. The included blades are very sharp, so use caution. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zibra Open-It Multitool Scissors. The Zibra Open-It Multitool Scissors are a unique blend of stainless steel scissors and a utility knife, featuring a built-in bottle opener, screwdriver, and blade. It gives you the ability to cut, slice, snip, and unscrew. This multi-tool is perfect for those who need a compact, all-in-one solution for various tasks. Its versatility makes it a handy tool for everyday use and is great for cars and garages. The box-cutting blade on this model is retractable. It slides out from the bottom edge. The utility blade is on the smaller side, with a ½ inch that can be exposed. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.